So hello and welcome. In today's video, we will learn how to change the name of PC in Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's click this start button and search for settings. So when you search for settings, you have to press the enter button, or you can click on that. So it brings you to this uh, weird looking window, and you have all these tabs towards the left side. You have to come in and click this home button or even this system button, and both should work. So I'll start with this home button and click this rename. Now it is asking me to rename this PC because currently the name of the PC is ASFAHAN Asfahan. So if I want to rename this PC, I have to write a new name. So I will come back to the original name of this PC, which was MSI, which is the name of this laptop. You can choose any other name that you like. Now all you have to do is just press this next button, and it will ask you if you want to restart this PC, because typically this is a very big change to the computer may need a bit of a restart. So if you're on your laptop, I will suggest that you close all your files and save them before closing, so that you can go on to restart your system. For me, I will just click this restart later button, and that should be good to go. So that's it, guys, and that's the video. And please subscribe for more contents like these. Thank you.